Hey everyone, today's video is an overview of JBL Synthesis home theaters. As you may know, the JBL Synthesis brand is known for ultra high performance home theaters. What you may not know is why Synthesis theaters are so impressive, or that these theaters can now be obtained at budget levels previously not possible. JBL Synthesis offers a wide range of home theater audio systems designed as complete systems to bring the sound of the best commercial movie theaters into your home. To understand how this great brand came to be, we need to look back at a bit of the history. It was way back in the 1930s when movie theater sound was becoming more about the experience that JBL got involved. The speakers designed by James B. Lansing were some of the best in the day and even won an Academy Award in 1937. In 1983, when Lucasfilm decided to develop THX sound for commercial theaters, they chose JBL to be their partner. The next year, the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences selected JBL components for the new sound system in the Samuel Goldwyn Theater. In the early 1990s, front projection systems started to emerge that enabled people to recreate the commercial movie theater experience in their homes. This was the birth of home theater. JBL looked at how they could provide the same incredible movie theater sound experience they had been doing for decades in the commercial world in people's homes. As a result, JBL Synthesis was born in 1992. JBL Synthesis from day one was a system of speakers, amplifiers, room tuning, and surround sound processors that promised the best possible sound for a residential home theater. Now, if you look at the market for home theater speaker packages, there are literally thousands of combinations from over 100 manufacturers on the market today. Most use conventional speaker technology such as a soft dome tweeter, while a select few use compression driver technology that is capable of a wide dynamic range. It is interesting to know that all major commercial theaters actually use compression drivers because they can instantly go from playing soft notes to completely filling the large theater with sound without distorting. A well-designed compression driver system is capable of giving you that incredible impact of an explosion or a gunshot, yet it'll also easily reveal very small changes in volume, which enables you to hear subtle emotions in the voices of actors and actresses. It goes without saying, all JBL Synthesis speaker components use compression driver technology that trickle down from their high-performance speakers used in commercial cinemas and the most demanding touring systems. Now, a JBL Synthesis system is far more than just putting together a list of components. The first step is a full evaluation of your space. Your synthesis dealer works with JBL engineers to design a turnkey package that will be able to provide a cinematic audio experience in your space and meet your budget goals. Your dealer will work with JBL to design your system in a way that complements the dimensions of your room, the acoustic treatment of your room, and even thinking through the aesthetics you are going for. JBL Synthesis has a large variety of high-performance speakers designed for many different use cases, so you can pull off a JBL Synthesis theater in just about any room, whether you're hiding the speakers or you want the full in-room speaker look. The advanced compression drivers and waveguides on the JBL Synthesis speakers have very specific dispersion characteristics which enable your dealer and JBL to maximize performance throughout the primary seating positions while also minimizing unwanted reflections. This is where the design really comes in. We have actually shot showcase videos of both a fully hidden JBL Synthesis theater system and a semi-exposed system. If you are interested in a JBL Synthesis theater, those are two great videos to watch and they are linked in the description. Now, after the speaker package is determined, your dealer and JBL will select the best way to drive the speakers, which could be as simple as a JBL Synthesis home theater receiver or a JBL Synthesis separate audio components. The audio component choice is based upon the number of channels and the cubic footage of the space to enable your system to reach realistic commercial theater audio levels with an appropriate amount of reserve to do it right. All JBL Synthesis systems have direct room calibration, which is the advanced software used to calibrate the final sound after installation. This adjusts for room resonances and other factors to give you the best sounding system possible. If you're interested in learning more about direct room calibration, check out our article and video, also linked in the description. Once all the components, acoustic treatments, interior decor, and seating are in place, your system will be calibrated to meet the Harman target frequency response curve. This aspect may involve an on-site engineer from your dealer, such as AudioVice for the most complex installations, or in some cases, AudioVice will work to calibrate your system remotely over video conference with advanced customers using the calibrated microphone and the software that comes with the JBL Synthesis home theater receiver or surround sound processor. Since its beginning in 1992, JBL Synthesis has evolved to cover a wider range of home theater sizes and budgets. JBL has pushed the envelope at the top end of the Synthesis range to incredible levels and is synonymous with ultra-high performance theaters. In addition, by using some trickle-down technology, there is now an expanded series of Synthesis components that make the entry level into Synthesis more affordable for those who may want performance with a tighter budget. For speakers, there are now options to fit all kinds of environments. You can do a fully hidden system using the Synthesis Custom Loudspeaker or SCL and Synthesis Subwoofers or SSW models, or go with a combination of in-room speakers and in-wall or in-ceiling speakers. One of our favorite systems that give you a huge amount of sound for the money is pairing up the HDI series in-room speakers for your 3 main fronts paired up with the SCL models for surround and Atmos. We have a detailed overview and video of the HDI in-room speakers and the SCL SSW hidden speakers linked in the description if you want to learn more about the specific speaker options. Now you can then pair these up with the Synthesis surround sound processor and power amps, or go with the Synthesis all-in-one home theater receiver. Your dealer will know exactly which to specify based on your room and your budget. Now when you're ready to start designing your own custom JBL Synthesis system, a great first step is to enter all of your room dimensions into our free home theater design tool at audiovice.com. From there, our team will work with you and the JBL engineers to design a system that will be perfect for your room and budget. Over there, you'll also find buyer's guides, videos of JBL Synthesis home theater installs, and inspiration gallery, and everything home theater related. Now we look forward to helping you achieve your ultimate home theater system. Every single AudioVice customer who has put together a JBL Synthesis system winds up telling us their home theater is their favorite room in their home, and they're so thankful they spent the money to go with the best. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe to get the latest home theater and audio content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.